Hi, in this video I'm going to talk you through how you can change a JPG into a PDF file. A few quick, free, easy steps. Here is a JPG file I'm going to work with and convert to a PDF. So if you tap on the options there, so there, Google Apps, and go down to Docs, tap on Docs. Please choose blank document, then right click on the JPG you've got and select copy, and then do a right click and select paste. So if you tap on the image you can move it around, you can resize it. When you're happy with the editing that you've done, the resizing, you can just go up to the top, file, and select download PDF document, and you then downloaded your PDF document to your downloads. If you learnt something today, carry on and watch another video and learn a bit more, or subscribe to watch the latest videos coming out.